What's up guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be looking at a very cool USB-C hub. You're like, what? USB-C hub? How's that cool? Because this one's actually one of those ones that you can take with you because it's very portable, or leave it on your desktop and have it as like a really good hub that's going to add a lot of ports that you probably don't have anymore from everything going USB Type-C. This is from 12 South. You should know the name. They make very good products. And this is the StayGo USB-C hub with 1 meter desktop cable and a stowable travel cable. So this is definitely good for desktop. And it's got that angle, which is awesome, which a lot of desktop setups need. And it includes desktop plus on the go cables. 4K HDMI capabilities, USB-A ×3, has an Ethernet port, USB-C, SD, micro SD ports, all built into this guy. As you can see here, this is a version of it running on the desktop. You can just have this hooked up, and when you basically come down with your laptop or your iPad or whatever, and you dock it, you can have a monitor, and you can have all your peripherals ready to go, storage, you know, whatever, keyboard, mice, whatever you got that you need at your desktop, you can then just dock and plug into this and you're good to go. Everything comes up. And again, it has a 1 meter desk cable and then the travel cable, which is a stow and go, which I absolutely love because it's built into the hub. How good is that for travel, right? Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the actual hub. Here you go, StayGo. This is an aluminum design. It is very sturdy. It feels very great. High quality build and material. So it's definitely not feels cheap at all. So let's take a look at the device. This side here, if you can see it, it's a little dark and glossy. You've got your Type-C port, and then you've got your stow and go, your travel cable. So we're just going to pull that out. Has a little ridge or a little notch here that you're basically going to pull out. Then you just plug this in, and now you're set to go. Living the dongle life, right? So I could plug this into this iPad Pro. I could plug it into my MacBook Pro because it's got that Type-C, and it's going to give me a lot of ports, as you can see there. So let's go ahead and run down the ports. I have an HDMI port, 4K, 3 USB 3.0s, Type A, an Ethernet port up to 1 gig, a Type-C power pass-through, flip it over, micro SD, and an SD card. Then this has just got this nice little ridge over here. This is where your cable stows. That's got 4 little rubber pads for feet, so if you do put it on your desktop, it doesn't really want to slide around too much. You can see it goes pretty steadfast there with no roll movement, so that's kind of nice. Alright, they do actually put on the front here what they are, basically like a display. This is your actual peripheral hookup, so this will be always what you just plug into to plug this dongle in, and then your USB. Now this one here, notice this is a little different because this one has data, this has power, okay, or sorry, power and data, got that backwards. And then this is power and data, or Ethernet network, and then this is data and power because it's USB-C, and then of course this is SD cards. So hopefully you can see those little you know, icons or graphics that they've got on there. So again, this is a very nice stow and go. Throw it in your travel bag and you're good to go. And again, it works, you know, I just take this and I'd plug into my iPad Pro here, and then I'm living the dongle life on my iPad Pro just like that. And same with the old MacBook. And then once you're done with this, again, if you don't leave it on your desk and you want to take this with, then you just take this cable, push it into the slot, and there it is. Built in. Stow and go. Awesome. I absolutely love this thing. This is definitely in my tech bag. I use this because I use a lot of different peripherals with both of these devices here, and I gotta have my ports, right? Maybe not the Ethernet, but I do use a secondary monitor with, there's a video coming on that. So this HDMI comes in handy. USB-A, yeah, I use Type A 3.0 quite a bit. And then the power pass-through, obviously I'm tying up a USB port Type-C port, so I can use that, power stuff out or power in, whatever I want to do. So again, USB-C, StayGo USB-C hub from 12 South. Check the show notes. I will have a link where you can pick this up, read more about it, check it out yourself. But I definitely highly recommend this. It's been in my bag for a little while. You can see it's even got a little wear on it. I do test these things out before I recommend them and do a video on them, and this is definitely one that's in my bag to stay. Very handy tool. I highly recommend it. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, hit that little bell to be notified when more videos are released. We got that coming, folks, so stay tuned. The new year's going to come off with a bang, with a lot of tech that you're going to want to watch. Also got CES 2020 coming up in mid-January. Yes, Geeks Unite, because the gadgets will be abounding for 2020. Alright, again, like, share, get notifications, subscribe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.